So 8 years ago, I tried to sleep on this rock with Mark Canoe and Christy Caldwell, two people I studied in Italy with. It didn't go so well. We had to run from it in the middle of the night from a lightning storm, and all of my stuff got soaking wet, and so I slept naked in a boat because I fell in the ocean. So I slept naked in a boat and in a boat dock that was open and vacant, and I was determined to come back and sleep in it, sleep on this rock and have it go successfully. So Alyssa and I did. It was fantastic enough. It wasn't like sleeping at a Four Seasons, but it's about 7 a.m. and the view's not bad. So, pretty happy that it turned out pretty awesome. Hey Mark, I want to show you where I slept last night. I think you'll recognize it. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What's up in Vernaza, buddy?